waves 1 to 3 feet. Mostly cloudy. Friday, west wind 10 to 15 knots. Waves 1 to 3 feet subsiding to 2 feet or less. Mostly sunny. The current time is 10:47 p.m. Central Standard Time. Here are the 10 p.m. observations. At Green Bay, it was partly cloudy. The temperature was 30 degrees. The dew point was 27, bringing the relative humidity to 88%. The wind was southwest at 3 miles an hour. And the barometric pressure was at 30.11 inches and steady. Across the Fox Valley, it was clear at Appleton with a temperature of 34. At Oshkosh, the temperature was 35 and it was mostly cloudy. At Sturgeon Bay, the temperature was 37 and fog was reported. At Ephraim, the temperature was 36 and fog was reported. At Washington Island, the temperature was 36 and fog was reported. North of Green Bay at Oconto, the temperature was at 23. And in Manitowoc, it was 28 degrees and fog was reported. Now, here are some conditions around the rest of Wisconsin. At Sheboygan, fog was reported with a temperature of 30. It was clear with a temperature of 28 at Rhinelander and 26 at Shawano. It was partly cloudy with a temperature of 29 at Wausau and 27 at Eau Claire. At Madison, it was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 34. At Milwaukee, it was cloudy with a temperature of 45. In Upper Michigan, at Iron Mountain, fog was reported with a temperature of 24. In Minnesota, skies ranged from clear to partly cloudy. It was 39 at Minneapolis, 29 at Duluth, and 35 at International Falls. Here are some marine observations along the lakeshore compiled at 10 p.m. At the Sheboygan Breakwater Light, winds were southwest at 4 knots. The air temperature was 39. At Kewaunee, winds were calm. The air temperature was 36. At the Northport Pier of Death Store, winds were southeast at 3 knots. The air temperature was 38. Now some observations along the bay. At Menominee, Michigan, winds were south at 4 knots. The air temperature was 36. At Fairport, Michigan, winds were southwest at 7 knots. The air temperature was 42. At the northern Mid-Lake buoy, winds were south at 12 knots, gusting to 16. The air temperature was 44 degrees. The wave height was 1 foot. The wave period was 3 seconds. Here is a special weather statement for the following counties in Wisconsin: Brown, Calumet, Dorr, Florence, Forest, Kewaunee, Langlade, Lincoln, Manitowoc, Marathon, Menominee, Northern Marinette, Northern Oconto, Oneida, Outagamie, Portage, Shawano, Southern Marinette, Southern Oconto, Vilas, Waupaca, Waushara, Winnebago and Wood. Icy stretches and fog may result in locally hazardous travel conditions late tonight into Thanksgiving morning. An increase in low-level moisture will result in a threat of fog late tonight, especially over central and north-central Wisconsin. With temperatures falling below freezing, patchy freezing fog is also expected. Even in areas where fog does not develop, moisture may deposit on cold roads overnight, leading to patches of black ice. The icy conditions should be most prevalent between 3 a.m. and 9 a.m. Thursday. Holiday travelers should be alert for locally icy roads and poor or rapidly changing visibilities late tonight into Thanksgiving morning. The worst conditions are expected to occur in central and north-central Wisconsin, where foggy conditions are most likely. Here is a special weather statement for the following counties in Wisconsin: Brown, Dorr, Kewaunee, Manitowoc, Southern Marinette, and Southern Oconto. Fog and possible icy pavement could produce locally hazardous travel conditions late tonight into Thanksgiving morning. Areas of fog are expected to form overnight as moist, milder air flows across cold and snow-covered ground into Wisconsin. The fog could produce reduced visibility and hazardous travel conditions. The moist air could produce a thin coating of ice on cold pavement, especially bridges and elevated stretches of roads. Travel with care. Areas of dense fog possible in the nearshore waters. Areas of dense fog have formed over the Dorr Peninsula, and some of it is drifting out from the land into the nearshore waters of Lake Michigan. Mariners should be aware that areas of dense fog with visibility of a mile or less are possible overnight. And now the forecast for your local area. Tonight, not as cold. Partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Nearly steady temperature in the mid-30s. Light and variable wind becoming southwest around 5 miles an hour after midnight. Thanksgiving Day, cloudy. A chance of light rain in the afternoon. Highs in the middle 40s. Southwest wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 40%. Thursday night, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of rain, showers, and drizzle in the evening. Lows around 30. West wind 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. Friday, sunny. Highs in the upper 30s. West wind 10 to 15 miles an hour. Friday night, clear. Nearly steady temperature in the lower 30s. Southwest wind 10 to 15 miles an hour. Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs in the middle 40s. Saturday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the lower 30s. Sunday, mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of rain showers, snow showers, and light freezing rain. Highs around 40. Sunday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the middle 20s. Monday and Monday night, mostly cloudy. Highs around 40. Lows around 30. Tuesday, mostly cloudy with a chance of rain showers. Highs in the lower 40s. Chance of rain 40%. Tuesday night, rain showers likely. Lows in the lower 30s. Chance of rain 70%. Wednesday, mostly cloudy with a chance of rain showers and snow showers. Highs around 40. Chance of precipitation 50%. Here is the nearshore marine forecast for the following: Lake Michigan from Rock Island Passage to Sturgeon Bay, Lake Michigan from Sturgeon Bay to Two Rivers, Lake Michigan from Two Rivers to Sheboygan, the central and southern bay of Green Bay. Rest of tonight, southwest wind 5 to 10 knots. Waves 2 feet or less. Mostly clear in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Thursday, southwest wind 10 to 15 knots. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Patchy fog in the afternoon. A chance of light rain in the afternoon. Thursday night, northwest wind 10 to 15 knots. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Mostly cloudy. Friday, west wind 10 to 15 knots. Waves 1 to 3 feet, subsiding to 2 feet or less. Mostly sunny. The current time is 10:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Here are the 10 p.m.